Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus number plate bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your workspace to testing the new bulb, ensuring your number plate is properly illuminated and compliant. Let's get started and brighten up your vehicle's rear. First, always make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues. Locate the clear plastic cover over your number plate light. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notch and carefully pry the cover open. Once the cover is off, you'll see the old bulb. Gently pull it straight out from its socket. Now, take your new replacement bulb and carefully insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's pushed in firmly and securely. Before you put everything back together, turn your vehicle's ignition to the accessory position or turn on your headlights to test the new bulb. Verify that it lights up properly and provides clear illumination for your number plate. Once you've confirmed the new bulb is working, carefully align the clear plastic cover and snap it back into place. Ensure it's seated firmly and securely, protecting the bulb from the elements. Give it a gentle push to make sure it's locked. Your Ford Focus now has a bright, new number plate light, enhancing visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.